NANOSTAR, hands-on higher aerospace education through nanosatellite student challenges. The nanosatellite industry has certainly grown in the last years. The development of a nanosatellite requires numerous tools and competences, which makes it an excellent training vector. But in South Europe, there is a gap of this specific technology. To bridge this gap, 2 aerospace clusters, 7 universities, and 3 European Space Agency business incubation centers, as associates from France, Spain, and Portugal, have linked their resources in a collaborative platform to provide a relevant training on nanosat technology through student challenges. NANOSTAR, the NANOSTAR Project, funded by the Interreg Sudoe Programme through the European Regional Development Fund, provides students with the experience of a real space engineering process that includes all stages, from conception and specifications to design, assembly, integration, testing, and documentation. The project has developed a common software infrastructure to design nanosatellites with the same tools, homogenizing the process. And also a robust work methodology for the design, development, and testing of nanosatellites. Students from the NANOSTAR universities have been included in 2 space missions pre-design challenges and more than 50 detailed design and test challenges. In the first mission, developed between February and May 2019, 15 multidisciplinary teams of students pre-designed a flyby mission to the Moon. The nanosatellite, equipped with a scientific payload, performs observations and measurements of the Moon's surface. In the second mission, from September 2019 to January 2020, the goal was to verify the survivability in space of a marine photosymbiotic species of worms, the roscoff worms, and their efficiency for air recycling, which may one day play an essential role in the creation of artificial ecosystems for deep space exploration missions. From September 2019 to March 2021, more than 50 challenges have been organized among all the NANOSTAR universities on the design, development, and testing of nanosatellite components. NANOSTAR students will become the future main players in the field of nanosatellites in a more connected Europe.